Hard work is overrated in corporate. Everyone thinks if I work hard, I will grow. But that's not how it actually works. I've seen people working 10 hours, 12 hours daily, taking extra work, doing everything right, and still not getting promoted. Because corporate does not reward effort, it rewards impact. You can work all day, but if no one knows about it, what you did, it does not exist. That's where smart works comes in. First, visibility. If your work is not visible, it won't matter. Second, impact. Being busy does not mean you're valuable. Focus on work that actually moves the needle. Third, priority. Not everything deserves your time. Smart workers focus on what actually matters. At the end of the day, hard work is important, but without smart work, you will stay stuck. So ask yourself every day, will this task actually move my career forward? If not, rethink. Stop just working hard and start working smart.